Yeah, YouTube, what's going on? Zalan to China. Today we will have some very nice fried Chinese noodles you can get in every typical Chinese restaurant. This dish is called Xihongshi Jidan Chaomian, which actually means tomato, egg, fried noodles. That's it. Very simple. Let's have a look what they put inside. The noodles in China are most of the time handmade, which is very simple. Some flour and some water. Then we have for sure tomatoes. We have the egg here, and we also have some bok choy here, which I really like. And as we are in China, we should for sure add some other things here. Here we have the mayo, which is some spicy oil. Let's add a little bit here. And we try everything differently. This is some vinegar. You can add on your noodles or in your soup. And then we wouldn't be in China if there wasn't some beautiful chili. There's not much left here, but I really like that. Put some chili here. Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Standard noodles. So this is like a really standard dish in China. Nothing special, although I'm acting like it's really special. Bok choy. It's really fresh. They just fried that for me. Okay. Some with the vinegar.
Yeah, that's how you eat it, man. That's the way.
They are really like al dente, not too soft. Yeah, and one thing you should know about the Chinese noodles, the louder you eat them, the better you eat them. Wow. I like the mayo. It's the mala. It's the Sichuan pepper oil. Very nice. Nice flavor. And this is the chili. I will mix this a little bit here. Look at that. No, it gives it a really nice spiciness. Oh yeah. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? That looks really good. To be honest with you, I like it most with some chili added. Nice. Makes it really spicy. Eat your noodles loud. This is the best way to eat it. Very good dish. I can really recommend this to you. It's a standard dish in China. And what makes it special is actually the handmade noodles. This is the thing I like most. You can cook this at home. Add some egg. Egg with tomato is actually very famous in China. And I think egg and tomato comes very good together in noodles, in rice, whatever. I like that. Don't forget to check out my many street food videos about Harbin. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, because there will be a new video from China, from Zalan to China, every day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. 再见. Enjoy. Mm.